Did you know that baking soda, a simple kitchen staple, has been a trusted remedy since the 1800s? It's not just for baking cakes or keeping your fridge odor-free. This unassuming white powder holds remarkable health benefits that have been used for generations. Today, we're uncovering the growing buzz around drinking baking soda water. At first, you might think, why would anyone drink baking soda? But here's the surprising part. This easy-to-make mixture is being praised for some truly impressive health perks, many of which are still under the radar for most people. In today's fast-paced world, common problems like indigestion and acidity often disrupt our daily routines. With more people seeking natural solutions, baking soda water is gaining popularity not just because it works, but because it's simple, affordable, and readily available. Curious about how this humble remedy could transform your health? Stick with us as we dive into 8 powerful ways drinking baking soda water might just become your go-to solution for better well-being. 1. Neutralizes stomach acid. We've all been there, that uncomfortable burning sensation in your chest or stomach after a heavy meal, especially one packed with spicy or acidic foods. It's frustrating, right? Heartburn or acid reflux can put a damper on your day. But did you know there's a simple remedy hiding in your kitchen? Enter baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, isn't just for baking cakes or cleaning countertops. It's a powerful, natural solution for heartburn relief. When you mix baking soda with water and drink it, something amazing happens. It reacts with stomach acid to form salt, water, and carbon dioxide. This process reduces the acidity in your stomach, soothing that burning sensation almost instantly. Think of baking soda water as a natural antacid. It works quickly, providing fast relief from heartburn and indigestion. Generations have relied on this remedy for good reason. It's effective, accessible, and easy to use. Why should this matter to you? Because turning to natural remedies like baking soda water empowers you to manage minor digestive issues without immediately reaching for over-the-counter medications. It's a small yet impactful step toward better digestive health, and it gives you more control over those everyday annoyances. The secret to success? Moderation. A little goes a long way. Just dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a full glass of water and drink it after a meal. This simple mixture can help balance your stomach's acidity and restore your comfort naturally. So, the next time heartburn strikes, remember this timeless remedy. A glass of baking soda water might be all you need to reclaim your comfort and keep your day on track. Simple, effective, and proven by generations of use. 2. Enhances athletic performance. Ever wonder how athletes push their limits and keep going strong during intense competitions? The secret might just be a simple substance hiding in plain sight: baking soda. Yes, the same baking soda in your pantry can play a surprising role in boosting athletic performance. Here's how it works. During high-intensity exercise, your muscles produce lactic acid. This buildup causes that burning sensation and fatigue, signaling your body to slow down. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a natural buffer, helping to neutralize this excess acid. When athletes drink baking soda mixed with water before exercising, it helps delay muscle fatigue, allowing them to perform at their peak for longer. Imagine running faster, cycling harder, or swimming farther, all without hitting that wall of exhaustion as quickly. This isn't just a theory or an old myth, it's backed by science. Research has shown that sodium bicarbonate can enhance endurance and improve performance, particularly during short bursts of high-intensity activity. It gives your body an extra edge exactly when you need it most. But before you start gulping down baking soda before every workout, it's important to know the right way to use it. Professional athletes carefully measure their doses, tailoring them to their body weight and the type of exercise they're doing. Using too much can lead to stomach discomfort, so moderation is key. Next time you're watching athletes break records or thinking about improving your own workouts, remember this simple trick. Baking soda might be part of their game plan, proving that even the most common household items can have extraordinary benefits. Whether you're aiming for a personal best or just want to get more out of your gym session, baking soda could be your next performance booster. 3. Kidney health support. Here's a surprising benefit of baking soda you might not have heard about: its potential role in supporting kidney health. For people managing chronic kidney disease, CKD keeping the right chemical balance in the blood is critical, and baking soda might just lend a helping hand. Chronic kidney disease can lead to a condition called metabolic acidosis, where the body becomes too acidic due to the kidneys struggling to maintain proper balance. This is where baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, steps in. Known for its acid neutralizing properties, baking soda can help restore balance in the bloodstream when used correctly. Here's what happens when you consume baking soda. It interacts with excess acids in the blood, raising the body's pH and bringing it closer to normal levels. This doesn't just regulate acid levels, it may also help slow the progression of kidney disease. Maintaining a stable internal environment can significantly impact kidney function and overall health. And it's not just anecdotal, there's science to back it up. Studies have shown that CKD patients who included baking soda in their treatment plans experience better management of their condition and slower disease progression compared to those who didn't. It's a simple, promising approach to kidney health management. However, this isn't a remedy to try on your own. Baking soda therapy should always be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional, especially for individuals with kidney issues. Proper dosage is crucial to avoid any potential complications. If you or someone you know is navigating kidney health challenges, it could be worth discussing this with a doctor. It's incredible to think that something as simple as baking soda might play a significant role in supporting kidney health and improving quality of life. 4. Alleviates urinary tract infections, UTIS. Let's explore another surprising use for baking soda: its potential to help ease the discomfort caused by urinary tract infections, UTIS. UTIS can be incredibly frustrating, bringing pain and a burning sensation that no one wants to endure. Here's where baking soda comes in as a possible helper. When you have a UT, your urine often becomes more acidic, which can worsen irritation and discomfort. Baking soda, known for its neutralizing properties, can help balance the pH levels in your urine. By reducing acidity, baking soda may soothe the urinary tract, creating a less irritating environment that offers some relief. The idea is simple. Drinking a mixture of baking soda and water might ease those unpleasant symptoms. However, it's important to remember that baking soda isn't a cure for UTIS. While it can alleviate discomfort, it doesn't address the root cause of the infection. Antibiotics are often necessary to eliminate the bacteria causing the UTI. If you're considering this remedy, proceed with caution. Always consult a healthcare provider before using baking soda to manage UTI symptoms. Improper or excessive use of baking soda can lead to other health issues, particularly for those with pre-existing conditions. Finding the right dosage and ensuring it's safe for your specific situation is essential. In short, baking soda might offer temporary relief for UTI symptoms, but it's not a substitute for proper medical treatment. If you're struggling with a UTI, talk to your doctor about whether this natural remedy could complement your treatment plan. It's remarkable how a simple kitchen ingredient can provide relief, but as with any remedy, professional guidance is key to ensuring safety and effectiveness. 5. Reduces gout symptoms. Let's talk about gout, a common but extremely painful condition. Gout is a type of arthritis that causes sharp, intense pain and swelling, often in the joints. It's triggered by a buildup of uric acid in the blood, which forms needle-like crystals in the joints. Sounds painful, right? Thankfully, a simple household ingredient, baking soda, might offer some relief. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is known for its ability to raise the pH levels of body fluids. For people with gout, this is particularly beneficial because it helps reduce acidity in the body. By lowering acidity, baking soda can make it easier for your body to dissolve uric acid crystals, easing the inflammation and pain caused by gout flare-ups. But as helpful as it may be, it's important to use baking soda wisely. Overusing it can lead to unwanted side effects, so moderation is key. If you're considering adding baking soda to your gout management plan, it's best to consult your doctor. A healthcare provider can guide you on how to incorporate it safely and effectively alongside other treatments. Gout management often requires a multifaceted approach. This includes making dietary changes, such as cutting back on high purine foods, staying well hydrated, and taking medications if prescribed. Baking soda can be a valuable addition to this holistic plan, helping to ease symptoms and improve comfort. If you're dealing with gout, it might be worth discussing baking soda with your doctor as part of your strategy. Every step, no matter how small, contributes to reducing pain and preventing future attacks. With a combination of remedies and lifestyle adjustments, you can take control of gout and find what works best for you.